subscribe with notifications on.
Make a video one day just to give my story one day what happened. But listen to me. God brought this earth, created this earth, and said, my children, go out there and grow. Go out there and grow. Enjoy life. Go out there and rule. But some of you guys, when I said I was South African, why are South African people don't travel? You thought I'm thinking you want to go and relocate and stay in those African countries. No. When I saw my business opportunity, the first time I saw my business opportunity is when I went to Italy. The first time, 2012. Do you know that by moving away from your place where you're born, actually enhances opportunities for you to see, and opportunities for you to start something that can change your life. I did. But some of you are telling me, no, I cannot travel because of, I don't want to be in other countries. No, guys, listen to me. I travel around every year. I travel around every year. And my children know I do it. I'm trying to make sure that their minds open up. They must see other people how they live their lives. Maybe one day, as I was going, guys, let me tell you something. As I was going, I was in Italy. I've got a daughter who's turning 17. You know what happened? She got a boyfriend, a white guy, in Italy. I was like, wow, you got a boyfriend? I thought we came here for a holiday. When you got a boyfriend? She said, Daddy, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate everything you do for us. Can you see? You will be born in South Africa. You will die in South Africa. You will build your house in South Africa. You will suffer in South Africa. You will get married in South Africa. That's why most of your women don't respect you because of you want to get married. You are a Zulu, you want to get it to a Zulu man. You are a Tswana, you want to go get married to a Tswana man. You are a Sutu, you want to go get married to a Sutu man. Change, man. You are a Xhosa, you want to go and get married to a Xhosa man. Change, man. Have a change of environment. The culture must be different. Are you getting my point? You must have a different culture in your lives. Are you getting my point? Now, here's what I want you to do. Do you have a phone? I'm asking you, do you have a phone? Yes, you do have a phone, right? And that phone is called what? A smartphone. You know why they call the phone a smartphone? Because it's too smart. That phone can be turned into a laptop. There's a desktop mode. Some of you don't know the things. There's a desktop mode only from your phone. You can turn your phone to be a laptop. Some of you will say, but I want to start a business, but I don't have a laptop. Guys, listen to me. You can make money from your phone. You can turn your phone into a laptop. How do you do that? Go to Chrome. Go to Chrome. Press that Chrome. And on the top right, next to the battery percentage, the time on top there, on the far top right, you will see 3 dots. Press those 3 dots. Go down, you will see desktop mode. If you do that, the phone changed from a phone to be a laptop. You can do anything you want to do on a laptop. You don't need to have a laptop. If you've got a laptop, you are blessed. You can tell me you are suffering, but you've got a smartphone. It's smart. That phone is very smart. It's smartphone. Let me tell you something. Do you have a laptop? Do you have a laptop? What do you do with your laptop? What sort of activities do you do in those laptops that you have? On your phone, what sort of activities that you always do? Ladin? Ladin? Sorry guys. Ladin? Where's Mamisi? Yeah, come make Mamisi, I can't leave the camera. Alright. Right. So sorry guys, I have to, my daughter's making my wife some tea downstairs. Alright. So you have a laptop. What sort of activities do you do on those laptops? Perhaps, I want to be honest with you. Some of you are sitting in Africa. Some of you are in Nigeria. You see, sometimes they say Nigerians, hey, they do crime, they do whatever, they do whatever. Those people, they do a research. Nigerians are smart. They do research. I'm not condoning what they are doing, but for someone to be able to have to do whatever they are doing, that's being smart. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say what they are doing, but for them doing whatever they're doing, that's being smart. I'm not condoning what they're doing, it's wrong. But if they were using that smartness for something very serious, something that is not going to be a 419 skirmish, I'll say it's very smart. Very smart. But now, listen to me. You have a laptop at home. That laptop, what do? You play music, you play YouTube, you go to Facebook, you go to Instagram, you go to Twitter. You've got time to look and watch at people that are already successful. I don't have time for that. I don't have time for that. Why should I be going to watch someone that is Rihanna and all those people that are successful already? I'm wasting my time. Some of you are watching using these phones and laptops to watch porn. What is this? Why are you suffocating yourself? Let me tell you something. I'm going to give you a tip now. I'm going to give you a tip. Your phone is a smartphone, right? You've got a laptop. The good thing what you can do, in order for you, I'm going to give you tips on how to make money. How to make money. Tips on how to make money. Tips on how to come out of that shell. Go get it. Right. Yeah, my daughter, she's going out. Right. So, tips on how to come out of the shell. Do you know that you can run a truck company without you owning the truck company? Do you know that you can run a clothing shop without you having physical store? Do you know that you can run a transportation company, a shuttle business? That's what I do. A shuttle business. You can go to the parliament and propose partnership. You can go to CEDA, Department of Minerals and Resources. You can go to rural development, those departments. Go to Department of Justice. Those people, they've got judges on a daily basis that travels everywhere in the world, everywhere in South Africa. Those judges, they go and attend cases. They need a shuttle, a private company. That's why you see online there's a lot of transportation companies. Right? Now, let me do something. I'm going to give you the link to my website so you guys can see what type of business I do. Right. You can open a shuttle company without owning cars. You can make something like $1,000 per day. $1,000 per day is something like 19,000 to 20,000 rand per day. For someone that can start earning something like 600 rand, 500 rand per day, that's being smart. Smart. Are you getting my point? So what you can do, you go online, start doing a research. Look for 5 names. Choose for 5 names. That can be a transportation, whatever that you can do. Then what you can do, Those names, go online, go to this, campus.